friends, this is Zoe Floyd, your local real estate expert, Conway expert, home matchmaker extraordinaire here in beautiful Orlando, Florida, and part-time weather reporter, but for mortgage rates. Today, we're looking ahead. What's in store for mortgage rates as we head into fall 2025 and how that affects home buyers and sellers in Orlando, Florida. I'll walk you through the forecast, how it impacts our area specifically, and give you my personal tips on how to navigate today's rates roller coasters. Before we start, drop in the comments. Are you in buying mode, refinance mode, or just here for the math of it all? First off, mortgage rates are just simply the cost of borrowing money to purchase your home. The American dream. Think of it like the interest rate on your car loan, but way bigger and more susceptible to global economic weather. Rates affect how much you can afford, your monthly payment, and your comfort level, and long-term cost of ownership. In 2025 right now, markets are watching inflation, Fed decisions, and housing demand like hawks, because those factors move rates like dominoes. As of September 2025, we're seeing rates hover between 6.5 to 7% for 30 years fixed loans. That's lower than we had earlier this year, but of course still higher than the 3% lows we had a few years ago. Here's what's bringing them down: cooling inflation, slower home price growth, and a hint that Feds may stop raising rates sometime soon. But here's the Zoe Real Talk moment. Even if rates hover in this range, rates alone don't tell the full story. Buying affordably in places like Conway and Belle, for example, also depends on inventory, neighborhood trends, and loan programs. How far could rates fall? Analysts predict some modest relief, perhaps dipping between 6 and 6.2% if inflation remains steady and the economy doesn't surprise us again. But be careful with crystal ball predictions. Nobody has all the answers. If they did, we'd all be millionaires. If you're planning to move in the next 3 to 6 months, my tip is to lock in your rates sooner than later. If your timeline is longer or you have a rate drop strategy in place, let's talk about a float down or refinancing plan. Here's how the rates are playing out locally. Buyers' pace dipped in the summer, but with rates easing, interest is rebuilding, especially in hot neighborhoods like Lake Nona and College Park. Conway and Belle, my backyard for example, tend to tick upwards thanks to neighborhood appeal and limited inventory. Homebuyers here don't just want a home, they want the community and the lifestyle. Sellers benefit when buyers lock in a lower than expected interest rate early, boosting confidence and moving market activity. I keep an eye out on how mortgage rates and demand intersect. Fortunate buyers who get it pre-approved with a solid interest rate win big in bidding situations with much better offers. Buyers, get pre-approved ASAP, even if you're months out from buying. Watch for float down clauses if you lock in your interest rate right now. Have a backup, adjustable rate, FHA, VA programs if you need the flexibility. Sellers, price strategically to match what buyers can actually borrow. Be ready to help qualified buyers understand their financing options. If you're refinancing or doing a move up before selling, talk to specialists about tied rates or bridge loans. Zoe tip: I work with qualified lenders who offer rate lock and float down options. DM me and I'll connect you with people who make this process very smooth. So there you have it, a snapshot of mortgage rate trends, future forecasts, and how all this impacts buying and selling in Orlando. Short answer: watch closely, be ready, and don't guess blindly. Comment below. Are you lock and ready or waiting for the dip? Are you buying, selling, or just love spreadsheets? My people. If you want help walking through your home financing option in Conway, Belle, or anywhere in Central Florida, you know where to find me. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm Zoe, your local real estate expert, helping you navigate Orlando's real estate market with clarity, confidence, and maybe a few jokes along the way. Until next time, friends, stay rate ready and local world savvy. Bye.